So welcome to the blog. And we're here. We're trying to do some stuff, trying to get things together. So I always keep. This is trying to get. I'm gonna run something. Okay. So you see, you guys always have the real copy around. So now the search that we need to put back, I haven't put it back. And then some of these things that we have here. So I thought one crossed my mind. Well, okay, fine. You have SMTVS.com, and I have the company side too. So when we look at this right here, this is still near to what we are doing, but without a lot of stuff that we wanted. So maybe we can start from backwards. So right here is a new page. It's a talent manager page that the AI created. I guess based upon the music thing. So this is supposed to be a talent manager. So no, that was a talent manager. I gotta instead of it have an agent to administrate it. Okay, so we talked about last time we had them to change this around. Of course, changing around. Now we have voice control. But the funny thing, the voice control belongs in Luna, not here. Okay, but now we have the voice control over here, right? And I can activate it and talk to it. So I don't know why, but we're gonna still keep it there. And said, okay, fine. It's listening, right? So this is where the AI makes a bunch of mistakes, right? Let's click this. This is where the AI make a bunch of mistakes right here. By taking the voice control that belongs on Luna, within the stream of Luna, and brought it over here. I just discovered that because I'm like, why is the voice control there, right? So now I gotta sit down and write a new note that the voice control that is in the audio studio is supposed to be supposed to be on the browser and operate alongside with Luna. See? So that's the first thing that the AI made a mistake and done right there. Okay? Because let's go over to Luna. All right. Let's find Luna page. I know we have Luna someplace. Okay, Luna page. Okay, so Luna's online, live, right? This control right here, it's what? It's supposed to be here on Luna, right here. So, like when, let me go back, okay. Like when I press the button and I push voice control, which is supposed to be automatic. You see it said listening, right? Okay? So it's listening now. See? And you see it's printing right there. Automatically you see said listening, right? Okay? And this have nothing to do with recording, right? Not unless I want to instruct a AI to lay some tracks or something. So this need to be a back, that's some error we need to address. Okay. Well, the AI listen to me, but don't listen to me, right? Because if we got the quad was not open up here, the plug in, the spectrum, added to the system, and the effects and all that's added to the system, okay, then it was reading what I was saying, but it's doing it in its own way. Now, it's a dashboard up here that hasn't opened yet, Well, I gave a certain type of stuff that the dashboard should be something like a docking center where everything docks up. So we're gonna see what happened there. Um, the sidebar shouldn't be there. If we go here, like we remove the sidebar from here. No, okay, we have the piano, and I was explaining something about the piano, how we needed to bring this over, right? And I mean, the synthesizer, right? And we can do some changes. So when I elaborate more on virtual instruments and stuff like that, okay, it created something that I said, great. That's what I was thinking the whole time. Create an but an oscillator also, right? So now this oscillator is so big, you can't hardly, then you know what I mean. It's making for a huge, gigantic screen, not a screen but bigger than the screen that I have. May have to bring the 50-inch screen instead of the 50-inch screen to even be able to see this software. But everything will be reduced. But it's kind of cool. And down here, so it's because they are opening it up in a light box technology. Just open it up like a window so it can shift and move around and it lays on the window. So therefore, when you scroll right here, this will move and you can, move around because you got different and then you can change. You understand? You can change the tone and the sound and anything like that. That's good. See? And so I'm gonna introduce that, saving it once we change the sound, and also I'm gonna include, okay, since the AI thought about making something like this for me, you need to have a keyboard onto it so we can hear the different tones when it's made, right? So we gotta like rewind the speed to go back to position. You know what I mean? That is a thing, right? That's what we're still thinking. You know what I mean? That's yeah, and still got the plugin stuff going. So this is still being developed, and a lot of stuff seems to be going on with it. I tried animation today too. Like we can just go ahead and try that and put it on record, right? And we on record, so we can just go ahead and do a recorded thing and run the animation. Still trying to, okay. So we say we develop equipment, and this person right here is not like somebody else thing. It's like I'm actually developing the multi-track recorder alongside with the AI. And when it came to automation, AI said, okay, I'm going to put in automation. So I'm like, okay, cool. So we can play back on channel. Though I found one fault with it that after we did the second track, you know what I mean? It seems to just keep on animating the last track that's recording. So we have to make notation that it seems like it's not playing back multi-track animation track more than it's just playing back the last track that was recorded, right? But at least recording the animation is a start, right? Things like that. So pretty much, well, I have a different strategy for the AI. You see, when you give the AI one directive, a single directive, it does it. Because this was a single directive. But the paperwork that I gave it wasn't that much. And it sort of decided what it wanted to make right here. Although that's not what I really put down, but that's what it decided it wanted to make, right? So we kind of work with the design and we refine the design. And well, we got the video stuff right here. A lot of things with the video, yeah, we're gonna change up. If we want to keep the goal look, I think we should just make most of the words and everything white. So white give you an highlight. Like here, it's orange. It shouldn't be orange. Go ahead and make it white, right? And something is going on right here with the AI. Seeing the AI video, the video AI right here, right? So it seems to me like we are selecting things, but it's on the back, and this is in front of it. So how do you move that so we can see what's happening in the background? So that's another thing, right? And the AI is on, so we don't know what's going on right there. So we're gonna try to check that out. Because when AI you ask to build something, yes, they build it, but then oh, I guess right there, see some bunch of words flashing in the background there, right? And then I guess I could enter. But it doesn't make sense if you can't really make eye ears up the words that's in the same color. That's got to be worked out. Okay, so we'll come over here in our virtual studio, and our virtual studio has a lot of stuff, the object side to it, and it's got a 3D animation things happening now right there. Okay, so we still have our original animation. Unfortunately, they didn't get rid of animation engine that we have, but now we have an added one, and it looked to me like we're gonna try to see what's going on, right? 'Cause having virtual and 3D animation, that's could tie that into adding information to the TV switcher. So we got a dashboard here too. It's pretty much what the AI spent time building more new dashboard. Like I wanted dashboard, I didn't want more and other things. And this is the library. So now here I can supposed to add import results file. So a lot of that 3D modeling and a lot of stuff I need to when it's done I can put it in. Okay, over here it's another similar thing where you can generate image or you can generate a video. Okay, let's generate a video. I did a little thing. Um, okay, let's say that, and I just said music to get a music video. Okay, let me do that simple one. Uh, okay. Oh, let me see which one. Let me see what I selected first. Video. Okay. Oh, and there's small art. Oh, sorry. I see. It was already set on a. Okay. Take it off a cap lock first. So did it come up? I guess it not come up. So let me go to over here and see what happened. Okay. I don't know. Maybe I ran out of credit. So we got stock, right? And we can load them here. See, early on, I was looked like a. Oh, okay. Let's get a sun image. All right, so we come. Okay, I think I was doing that extra stuff, right? So you never get a sun image. What about a sun video? Right? What about a sun video then? So now we got like 8 seconds, but we'll talk to the AI about increasing the length of it, right? Basic. So, um, yeah, to increase the length. So you can get like a 1 minute at least out of it still. You can do a bunch of 1 minute videos and 1 minute, a lot of 1 minute different clips. Okay, say, and it basically show you stuff, right? So, okay, so you want to make documentaries or certain things, right? You see what I'm talking about? You want to make a documentary and you want to make a nature video, so you can just go ahead and do a lot of clips of different nature corporate, and then you can just go ahead and let's see. See, I'm not even wearing my glasses, so sometimes I have to just keyboard is not there in front of me. Uh, yeah. So we did a local sun thing. So yeah, I tried to like write something no longer, and I see it was just like gave me a bunch of errors. So I said stick to simple stuff: sun, moon, cat, rat, simple. Yeah, dance, and then I put dancing. I think, yeah, and it brought a dancing video, right? I put artist one at a time, artist music or show, and it brought me a live performance, right? So things like that. It's still doing its thing. Okay, so you guys, you see the way that I could just sit here and I can say, okay, download this. You know what I mean? I could save that as a video, and right, save that to my file right there if I want to save it. Right? Come back and look at it and play it. Basic. So now, so you see the way that I'm doing things in SMTVS. So we are like doing a little movie company and everything that we're doing, right? So you see that I'm actually having tools. Okay, well, this over here is actually a development tool to development software, right? So it's actually that, but it was supposed to be ops and developing software, but I see that the agent lean to real software development in this part of the platform. Okay, well, we still have a few more tools that still embody what I wanted, so that's cool. And we still have an editor over here, right? So you kind of just do stuff where you can submit to GitHub. You know what I mean? Okay. And it gives you a little list of the things that I'm already developing already. Pro Video Editor, Workstation, Switcher, right? Media stream platform, right? So over here we got areas where stuff is kept, right? All right, resource, root, okay, 3D assets and function library. Okay, so these stuff are pretty much not done yet, but should be working on everything that we start to do will be sync, cause I should be sync up with GitHub, and then whatever is happening, go over to the repository. All right, so going to the pages. This is our community, media community. I just said create a community, and I guess AI decided, well, this is what you're gonna get for your media community. So I said, okay, I'm gonna hang on with it. It's just talk about making videos or movies. Workspace, okay. For instance, we got our workspace, so we still got our engine over here, right? So we could still do animation and all that kind of stuff. Compose, right? And we got the sequence window, right? We can set up sequence. Start to compose, right? So here you can definitely bring stuff in and started doing some composing, right? Back to the workspace. So we have that. Okay, and okay, so the music agency, that page is working, right? It should have been working. I guess it was working when I clicked on the outer one, and this come back to the store. So I don't see the music agency in here. Okay, so let's go back here. All right. So let's keep on. Cause we have more. Yes. Now, this is our business stuff, but you're supposed to kind of download it still and all that other kind of stuff. So we'll get to that and product listing and everything. It's sort of like you're in the site, and when you're in your administration, you'll be able to put that in. So see, that's actually some of the files that the business suite, the video editor, music production, website builder, even though it's not out there yet, we are creating that, all that lots that's in the site. Um, yeah, so more stuff that's in the site. Here's integration. So that's all you can, when you come here and you are a user, this is where you come to get your integration to connect to your stuff. And of course, we got the teleops, right? That's here. Okay. A lot's going to be going on. A business farm. You can fill out a business farm. Okay. And here we're just doing the feeds. So here at the feeds, you can see even more of the stuff that we have. Television switcher, music, the mixer, animation engine, network TV, App Studio, music agency, right? That's right there. Okay. Um, you got the film agency is actually going back to here. It's not up yet, so. And so they did something to network TV, to the TV. Yeah. No, this which one this is? Okay, this is the talent. I'm going to talk about the talent. Okay. You got a production board, right? So we can work with production for the TV on here, like that. We got production scheduling. So a lot of things are still there for TV, right? So this is not working yet, but I spoke earlier about having another content editor. Why? So that's the one, and the one need to be put into BJ as well. So we know we had Luna PH. Everybody know we got Luna PH.
Welcome. I'm so excited to help you today.
Right. So that's Luna PH. Right. And we visit the VR studio already. And we can move on to the music production, right? Again, we know we had that booking for the studio. SMTVS map, right? Okay. So we got our map right here. Okay. So map is good still. It's hooked up to Google, so you see like Kingston and everything right there. Back to Luna PH. And we're here at the Luna Builder, so we can actually create a website from Luna Builder. I'm going to spend time and create a website and see what the first website look like for you guys. Then we have the Luna office, right? And you know when you comes in Luna office, we'll greet you, right?
Welcome to the Luna Live AI Business Office, Van Allen, SMTVS. I'm Luna, your personal AI business assistant. This office gives you everything you need to run your business right from your browser. You have access to your appointments, contacts, notes, Gmail, tele-app messaging, and even automatic social media posting. You can get 10 free conference calls per month. Just speak to me anytime and I'll take care of it for you. Let's get started.
So that's cool. Let me look in this list. Oh yeah, business call through. Okay, conference. Here it is. Okay, start the conference. So that's not even hooked up yet. The AIs are different. When I created that stuff at the dark world, it just went in and you clicked on. So we gotta have that set up, and you know what I mean. So we clicked on conference and we not seeing anything yet, right? On the social post, Gmail. So the stuff is there, but the notes are appointment. Okay, those are not up yet, so that's why they're not showing up. Gmail integrated, but we're not seeing that. So it shouldn't. And that's another thing we're gonna say that hey, yeah, when that's going on, you need to make a little shift that to the side right there. All right, and when that shifts to the side right there, then it'll make room to bring in our Gmail. Load up a Gmail right here. Okay. And it's supposed to be Luna live. You see what I'm saying? Are you live? See, so the live button still not up. And when I click on live, it should be live.
Welcome to the Lunar Live AI Business
Right.
Office, Van Allen, SMTVS. I'm Luna, your personal AI business assistant. This office gives you everything you need to run your business right from your browser. You have access to your appointments, contacts, notes, Gmail, teleapp messaging, and even automatic social media posting. You can get 10 free conference calls per month. Just speak to me anytime and I'll take care of it for you. Let's get started.
Okay, so we're back here. So it's one thing. We got the smart screen about some of the stuff that we have here. Music production. And back to Luna.
Good evening. Welcome to Lunar Browser. How can I help you today?
Luna extensions. So the browser still need I set a way for me to put extension in it. So a lot of that stuff is just
Good evening. Welcome to Lunar Browser. How can I help you today?
like I said, we're gonna put a self detection so the browser understand that we are in browser. So please don't keep saying that. And yeah. Well now you're in the browser and what happened the agent put the dashboard in SMTVS, but you can connect it from the browser. So I guess if somewhere you was surfing the browser through somebody else's house or something and you wanted, maybe you want to download it. So that's we still trying to figure out. This page is supposed to be in SMTVS and a link so you can go to download um, this. And just like we have this page right here, it says open, but it should also send you to the store to download the mobile one. Okay, so thanks for it's like a little tour, right? So hope you guys see what's going on. We got a lot of stuff, and that's basically it. Well, let's see what we missing here. Okay, back to our workspace, but our switcher. That's what is all of the thing. We need to put that back, and it did such a great job by taking away the sidebar and the whole thing spread right over the thing. I don't know what's up with the AI sometimes, but it's good to keep a carbon copy of the thing that you're doing.